just like free. Caw-caw. Hey bougie besties, welcome back to Vlogmas. Before y'all start cracking, I am not bald, okay? I'm not bald. This is a wig cap. I literally told you chittling eating bitches. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. We started off our day a little late. It is like 2 o'clock right now. I woke up at noon. I'm really trying to get better at waking up in the morning. I'm just not a morning person. And I know this stems from my mama because my mom is an insomniac. She's always been an insomniac. I'm not an insomniac, but because my mom stayed up super late all day I stayed up super late all day. And now I've become acclimated to staying up late and waking up late. That's how my mom was. It's annoying. But no, my mom is like that for an actual medical reason. I'm like that because of a habit that my mom kind of like instilled into me. And I know she didn't mean to do this. It was just me having FOMO syndrome. I had the fear of missing out. So I may have been like bobbing my head, super tired at 2 o'clock in the morning, but I want to stay up with mom and like, you know, get work done and watch TV. And now here we are. I cannot wake up early. I don't know why. If anybody out there has advice on how to become an early bird, trust me, I've tried. Y'all know I went to college. I've had morning classes. I almost failed a class because of this damn sleep schedule. Like, it's sad. So I have some makeup on. I need to put some lipstick on. I actually have to do a TikTok video. It's a sponsored video for, I don't know if you guys saw, like maybe like 2-3 vlogs ago, I had this like afro wig on. Yeah, I gotta do the video again because they didn't like the video that I had initially. I personally really liked it, but they didn't like it. So I have to do it again. And then I have so much content to film today. I'm so behind on content, it's not even funny. So let me go grab this wig and let's make this video. Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna be using the sound. It's really not that bad, it just needs a little shaping. So yeah. That's the sound I used for the last one, and I think I'm just gonna like, because they said they liked the idea, they just didn't like the outcome. I ain't never been with a Betty. They just didn't like the outcome, so.
It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon.
Okay. Hopefully they accept this. They wanted more definition. I think, I'm like, should I do the flowers? Should I? Should I do the flowers or not? Okay, finally done with that damn video. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple of videos in this outfit. Ciao. And I can't even post these videos until they approve that last one. That's the only thing, but whatever, it's fine. So I went ahead and put my lace frontal back on. By the way, a lot of people still ask me about this wig. I did a review on it. I will link it like right here. This is the same wig. It's been like, what, 2 months? She ain't really doing that well. Oh, yeah. Yo, that's a little scary. Yeah, she ain't really doing that well. But, you know, I'm making her look like she's doing well. But she thinned out so much. Can you guys tell? She thinned out so much. This is the outfit I'm wearing today. I'm gonna go downstairs and do a video. It's a video that's gonna take place in my car, and then while I'm down there, I'm just gonna hop in the car, go to Trader Joe's because I have to go grocery shopping. I have no food in my house. Like, I'm starving here. I have to go to my friend Jazzy's house to do some work, and then yeah. Okay, so change of plans. I was gonna go to my friend Jazzy's house to use her Wi-Fi so I could work, but she decided to go out and run errands. I'm like, ugh. And my sister's not home. The Wi-Fi in my house sucks. So anyway, right now I'm at Foxtail. Okay, so we're at Publix now. Yeah. So I just got home. I only spent an hour at Foxtail. Is that what it's called? Foxtail? Foxtail coffee? Foxtail? Oh, I thought it was Foxtail. My sister's on speaker if you hear her in the background. I only spent an hour there. Honestly, their Wi-Fi was kind of shit. But it's okay, I get it. I went to Publix right after. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got 2 almond milk. This brand is called Elmhurst. I've heard really good things about this. Literally they only have 2 ingredients, water and almonds. All of the other almond milks, they have like gums and stuff, and I'm like, why? I just want almond milk. I don't want gum. Like, I don't want flavoring. I just want almond milk. I'm trying to eliminate a lot of like inflammatory things in my diet because I do have like inflammation issues, like my feet swell, I have acne, and I get bloated. I don't know if like bloating is a result of inflammation, but just know my feet swell really bad. Sometimes, I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. Like my mom is like that as well. I should get it checked out. Anyway, and obviously acne is considered a form of inflammation as well. So my mindset is if I get rid of the things that cause inflammation, maybe my skin will clear up. I don't know. Then I got some seaweed chips. I got 4 of them. Then I got some eggs. These are the only eggs that I eat. After I found out, like, you know, other eggs that we buy and support, their chickens don't even have that much room to navigate. Like, they will be put in a little space like this small. That's not fair. Anyway, this company says that their chickens are free range on a pasture. So, like, they have, like, a lot of room to move around. They're just, like, free. Then I got some veggie spirals. This is zucchini noodles. Then I got some Morningstar meatballs, some asparagus. I got some marinara sauce because I'm gonna make spaghetti meatballs with the zucchini and meatballs. Then I got this ready to eat rice by this brand called Miracle Rice. Apparently there's like 5 calories per serving. This whole pack is 10 calories and it's supposed to be like rice, like plant-based rice. Hopefully it tastes good. And just in case that don't taste good, I got some jasmine rice. I got some Farmhouse Sweet Hawaiian bread. I was looking for some sourdough at Publix, and Farmhouse is like the only brand that they have that sells sourdough, at least at the Publix that I went to, and it had less protein and more sugar. So yeah, which is crazy to me because sourdough is known for like having high protein and being like low in cal, but chow, maybe it wasn't real sourdough. Then I got 2 packs of fresh cherries. I promise you, I think these are out of season because I went to Publix on like 4 occasions and could not find these. But I'm happy they're back. But look at this small pack. It was like $4 for this little pack. Then I got my favorite Halo Top ice cream. This is the sea salt caramel. This whole pint is 330 calories. This is bomb. Like, I could literally eat the whole pint in one sitting. And then I got the Snoop Dogg 19 Crimes wine. I actually really like this wine. And I got 2 pounds of salmon because I'm gonna make that like TikTok salmon bowl. I've made it 3 times already. And it's bomb. Like, it's so bomb. But this time I'm gonna make it with this Miracle Rice. And hopefully it brings like the calories down. Because I noticed when I made it before, I put on a few pounds a few days after. So I'm assuming that jasmine rice, oh yeah, 1/4 of a cup has 160 calories. Oh, honestly, that's not as bad as I thought. Child, I don't know, maybe it's the salmon. I don't know, but all I know is I put on a few pounds after religiously eating that shit for like 4 days in a row. Then I got a small shrimp platter from Publix. This is actually gonna be my dinner tonight. I don't feel like cooking, so I got something that I could, you know, just like eat tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed that little ASMR B-roll type. I'm not that big of a cook, but I do know how to cook, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not out here making freaking big plates of mac and cheeses for like 17 people. And I'm not out here baking cakes from scratch and stuff like that. I am really good at following directions though. So that little salmon recipe that you guys saw, it's actually so bomb. It's so good. That's gonna be the salmon that I use in my TikTok like salmon rice bowl. Hopefully it's not controversial because I wash my meats. I didn't show you guys me washing my meat in the video, but I do wash my meats in vinegar and lemon. And now I'm about to eat this shrimp cocktail. I have my laptop here. I'm about to do some work. It's like 9:30 p.m. Y'all, that cappuccino I had earlier got me shaking like a crackhead. Shaking like a crackhead. Like, I don't know, maybe Foxtail, I don't know. They might have some good quality coffee, or they might add a little something in their coffee, but it literally, I'm so jittery. I already know I'm gonna be up all night. I already know. I'm gonna be up all night. I'm already a night owl. I'm gonna be a night morning owl because I'm gonna be up till the morning. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next Vlogmas video.